If you're experiencing login failures in Fortnite, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Fortnite server status page to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Completely shut down your gaming device or computer and restart it. This can help clear temporary issues that may be causing the login failure. Step 3. Update Fortnite. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in your game launcher and install them before attempting to log in again. Step 4. Verify your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 5. Reset your password. If you still cannot log in, try resetting your Epic Games account password. Follow the prompts on the Epic Games website to receive a password reset link and create a new password. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue and get back to playing Fortnite.